The Hydra-LG electronic humidifier. This electronic humidifier is perfect for humidors from about 1,000 cigars up to about 5,000 or 6,000 cigars. When you get the box, inside will be the Hydra unit itself. This is the control top and the water cartridge. It also has a tethered control unit. You'll have a power cord, and you'll have this paper thin ribbon cable with an adapter. To use this Hydra unit, you're going to take the top off and you're going to fill this cartridge inside with distilled water only. You don't want to use propylene glycol or any other water, just distilled water. You're going to want to fill this up, let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes so it absorbs all of the water. You're going to turn it upside down. You're going to let all the standing water drain out of it. You don't want any standing water in here. Slide the control top back into the unit. Then you're going to take the little adapter and your paper thin cord. You're going to put those together. You're going to take your power cord and plug that in. Now, in the back of the unit, there's a little port that you plug your power cord into. What's nice about this ribbon cable is it is paper thin, so it will slip through a hinge or the back of a humidor. You can put it inside a humidor if you want, but it will not affect the seal at all. So it's an easy way to get power inside the box. Your control unit you can mount with the attached sticky back anywhere inside of your humidor. And this will do the exact same thing as the controls here. To turn on, push the power button. The unit will turn on. You have Celsius, you have the current humidity, and you have the desired humidity. You can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit by pressing the button, and the plus or minus buttons will set your desired humidity level. This unit will turn itself on or off to reach the desired humidity level. On the control unit itself, there's a little adjustment knob. You should never need to use this. What it does is it calibrates the unit. If you find that the humidity sensor is a couple percentage points off, you can turn this clockwise to increase it or counterclockwise to decrease it. But as I said, you should never need to use it. When the water cartridge runs low, there will be an audible alarm. To turn that alarm off, you're going to push this button. That'll turn the alarm off. If you never want the alarm to turn on or off to begin with, there's a little switch on the side. The other side of the unit has two ports. It has a fan port and a DC out. And this is for adding extra fan kits to the unit. The Hydra Extra Fan and Fan Kit. You can optionally add extra fans to your Hydra-LG units. The fan kit comes with one fan, a three-way adapter, and an extra long ribbon cable. Optionally, you can add extra fans, which is just a single fan with none of the other accoutrements. To use the fan kits, you take your ribbon cable, plug it into the back, and it's really long, so you can run this anywhere you want inside of your cabinet humidor. You can plug this into either the DC out or the fan out port of your Hydra. The DC out will constantly supply power, so the fans will always be running, and the fan out will turn the fans on or off when the Hydra turns itself on or off. Once it's plugged in, you can mount your fans anywhere you want inside of your unit. You will plug the end of the fan into the three-way adapter. You can put up to 3 fans per port, so for a total of 6 fans, 3 constantly running and 3 turning themselves on or off, so you can get some extra circulation inside of your box. This is the Hydra Extra Fan and Fan Kit. This is the Hydra-LG electronic humidifier.